The next second, this girl symbolizes myself, where I always pray before I sleep and after I sleep. And this heart na nakapalibot sa kanya, it emphasizes the unconditional love of God, where I have also this personality na if makikita ko sa tao na genuine yung pinapakita niya sa akin, it's pinapalitan ko ito ng my unconditional love, where at ito din at meron siyang cross dito because of I myself, or this personality I have is hindi lang unconditional love yung binabalik ko sa taong mabuti or nakikitaan kong genuine towards me, but I always pray their guidance and the security. These people na pilit kang hindila pababa. Ito yung mga taong mapanghusga, mapang-ibaba, na pilit kang hinihila pababa. But I have this personality na even though madaming taong pilit akong binababa, I have this personality na I always calling God. If I'm falling or lugmok ako because of the people na pilit kang ibinababa. And I also believe the faith. I have this faith where have this faith na hindi madaling magiba. I drawn this pray, faith, God in the stone because these three words or three meaningful words is ito yung panglaban. I have this personality na pinapanglaban ko sa mga taong mapanghusga or pilit akong ibinaba. Itong mga taong black, kinalayan kong black, is it's either your family, your friends, your classmates, or stranger. I also drawn God in my works, where kasi sinasabi sa song na if I'm falling and I'm calling your name, I'm calling Lord. Next is, who am I that the eyes that see my sin? So ito yung may personality na sino ako, na parang yung iniisip ko is sometimes I think that people see me or people know me because how sinful I am, but I am calling God and watch me, and she watch me na makabangon ulit. So in the conclusion of the part 2 of the task that given to us is, sinasabi dito, my personality is madaling malugmok. In short, I have this personality na madali lang talaga akong malugmok. Especially pag mayroong mga taong lagi akong dinadown. Example, my classmates. Also, I have also this personality na sometimes I ask myself na who am I, na bakit mali ko lang, or why people see my sin always not that the right that I was doing. But aside of that, I have the advantagement of my personality where I always pray or call God when I'm falling and rise again, because I do believe everything have a reason why God give these struggles or stressful life we have or I have today.